Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to compare the color gold and the new deep purple iPhone 14 Pro, so we can look at the color differences between these two phones. If you guys are choosing between the gold or the new deep purple, we're going to show you what the difference look like. We already did unboxing for these phones and the other iPhone 14 lineup, but this is a quick comparison. So if you guys are choosing to see which one you prefer. So as you can see here, the gold one, again, it comes in this gold box with the screen. And then taking it out of the box, you'll notice here the accessories and then the gold on here, which we'll put aside while we take the other one out. So that's what the gold looks like. So we'll put that aside here. And then taking a look at the deep purple one, again, right aside here. We'll put that aside. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, the screen say right here, lock screen here, they're always on, so that when I click on them they'll show their color, but that doesn't really matter because you know, of course, go ahead and change that to whatever. So from the top here, again, you're gonna notice again that dynamic island here, that low battery coming up here on this phone, but basically that's how they're gonna look from the actual cover here. So now what's going to be important is probably the back here, which makes the difference between these two phones. So I'm going to try to get the best angle in the lighting here. I know it's not going to be the greatest, but here looking at different angles. The gold here, I would say it's a lighter gold. The purple, as it says, deep purple, which is definitely, you can tell it's definitely on the darker side of the purple shade. So making a different color. Now, when it comes to color, of course, when you put it in a case, the only thing you'll probably see is that top part here. But looking at the bottom here, looking at the side as well, you notice here that 5G mm wave, and then from the top here, see that, and then this side here with the volume, so you got that, and then of course that as well. So taking a closer look of the camera, you notice these cameras are pretty huge. Try to get the phone in the frame as much as I can. As you can see here, again, depending on the lighting, it changes because how reflective these phones are. So that's one thing to consider too. Again, quick overview of the top as well. Just notice here these bezels are pretty much the shade of the color of the phone as well. And finally, taking a look at the back again one more time. So when I hear from you guys, we're going to vote in the comment section which phone do you prefer, the gold or the new deep purple color, or the other color, the silver, or of course the space black, which we already did comparison for. So also check out those comparison and let us know what do you think, and while you're at it, make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.